Daddy Monkey Stories. B. B for bird. B for bird. Dear kids, today is Bear's birthday and Bear has so many balloons.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bear is so happy on his birthday. He is jumping. He blows out the candle. He makes many bubbles and the baby bear pops the bubbles. They enjoy a lot. Then the baby bear sees a lot of butterflies in the garden. He plays with the butterflies. B for bear. B for bear. B for birthday. B for birthday. Happy birthday. B for balloons. B for balloons. Colorful balloons. B for blow. Blow out the candle. B for bubbles. B for bubbles. B for butterflies. B for butterflies. Colorful butterflies. B for bear. B for birthday. B for balloons. B for blow. B for bubbles. B for butterflies. Now you should clap for B. Dear kids, for more alphabet stories, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.